Hi children, welcome back again for the new session of maths. In chapter 2, you have learned about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractions and multiplication and division of decimals. Today's session, let us learn some revision work. Okay, let's begin. Children, here I have given multiple choice questions. You have to go through this all the questions and solve it. First one, which one of the following is an improper fraction? You are already knowing that in improper fraction, numerator is greater than denominator. So you can easily find out. Okay, second question, reciprocal of 2 integer 3 upon 5. First of all, you have to convert the mixed number into improper and you have to take the inverse of that improper fraction. Then you will get the answer. Okay, next one, 25 divided by 1 upon 5. That also you have already learned about the division of fraction. You have to multiply it by the inverse of the second fraction. That means 25 multiplied by 5 upon 1. Okay, you will get the answer. Now, 3700 grams are equivalent to dash. So, for making grams into kilogram, 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. So, you have to divide 3700 gram by 1000. Then you will get the answer. Which of the following is a true statement? 1.16 greater than 1.4. 1.16 is greater than 1.4. Second one, 1.2 is greater than 1.16. 1.040 is greater than 1.14. So you have to see that first the integral part. If the integral part, that means the integer part is same, you just look at the 10th part which is greater, then that is the greater decimal number. Okay. Now 0.60 can be written as dash. Here after the point, 2 decimal places are there. So we have to write upon 100. 60 upon 100. 60 upon 100 means we have to cancel 110. The remaining you will get 6 upon 10. Okay, I already said the answer, so you can easily find out all these multiple choice answers. Okay, just do it. Children, here I have given some fill in the blanks. First one, reciprocal of 9 upon 2. That means the inverse of 9 upon 2. Second one, the mixed number given 7 integer 3 upon 8. You have to convert into improper fraction, that you are knowing. Next one, 9 upon 5 of 15 upon 27. Of means multiplication, that also you have already learned in this lesson. Next one, 1 divided by 3 upon 5. That means 1 multiplied by the inverse of the second fraction 5 upon 3. Then you will get the answer. Next one, 36.8 multiplied by 10. That also we are learn what to do if you multiply the decimal point by 10. 1 digit right side going, that also knowing. Now 3.79 divided by 100. If you are divided by 100, the decimal point 2 digit left side moving, that also you have learned. So do the answer according to that. Next one, 342 centimeter equal to dash meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 342 divided by 100, then you will get the answer. Next one, on multiplying a decimal by 100, the decimal point is shifted to the dash by 2 places. Shifted to the right or left, you think and write it. Okay. Children, here solve the following questions are there. Addition, subtraction, arrange in descending order, find the answer which is greater. Addition and subtraction, you can see that all the denominators are different. So you have to find out the LCM of the denominators and do the answer according to that. Arrange in descending order, also 3 fractions are given. The denominators of all the 3 fractions are different, 5, 7, 10. So you have to find out the LCM of all the 3 denominators and make them same denominators. After that, you have to arrange the fraction in descending order, that means big to small. Next one, find 1 upon 2 of 2 integer 3 upon 4. First convert the mixed number into improper fraction. After that you have to solve it. Of means multiplication. Now which is greater, 2.03 or 2.30? The integral part, both the case 2 is there. So after that the 10th position, which digit is there, just look at that and just write the answer which is greater. Okay. Children, next topic, do as directed. First question, multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed number. 5 multiplied by 2 upon 9. Whole number 5 multiplied by numerator and denominator, write like that. Then convert into lowest, the final you have to write into a mixed number. Next, multiply. First one is mixed number. First of all, convert into improper, then multiply numerator and numerator, then denominator and denominator. Okay. Now solve the problem. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. That means using 1 liter of petrol, car runs 16 km distance. Now we have to find out how much distance car will run by using 2 integer 3 upon 4 liters of petrol. Car will run more distance or less distance. You have to think and write the answer. I hope all of you will do all this answer perfectly in your notebook. Okay, I will come with another lesson. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Okay, thank you.